father did something.
Don't say that.
I mean, what mostly Lord Jesus Christ, I don't need to look. He's a good man.
Let's transition.
Yeah.
Veronica
Let's talk
Harrell,
about
as you look interesting.
Make me have a drink on air. Look. Right now, looking at the lanes, west side, at 285 southbound over at Hallowell Parkway. Watch out for a stalled tractor trailer over in the right lane. Of course, that's going to slow you down. But then also, we got this crash east side, 285 southbound at Memorial over in the right lane. And then the city dealing with a wreck connector, 7585 southbound just before that Grady curve, clearing to the right, but still just adding some slow traffic for you. And this report brought to you by Sprint. There are lots of different families, but only one family plan that's perfect for everyone. Sprint's Family Share Pack. Visit sprint.com/family share to learn more. I'm Veronica Harrell, dependable traffic on Kiss 104, Atlanta's best R&B and throwbacks.
Switch to Metro PCS today and get a free 4G LTE smartphone, like the LG Leon LTE, sales tax not included. And since you'll keep your old phone number, you won't run the risk of inheriting some number previously used for pizza deliveries. Nope, just a brand new smartphone for free on the fast nationwide 4G LTE T-Mobile network. Right now at Metro PCS. Limited time offer. Price after instant rebate. Excludes numbers currently on the T-Mobile network. Coverage and services not available everywhere. See store at metropcs.com for details and terms and conditions.
I'm Monica Pearson. Wayfield Foods is having a 3-day seafood sale. Stop by and get some delicious seafood.
July 10th, 11th, and 12th. Get extra large Alaskan snow crab legs, $5.99 a pound. Captain's Pack Easy Peel 60 to 80 count raw shrimp, $2.99. And U.S. wild caught whiting fillets, $1.29 a pound.
Shop at Wayfield Foods. Better seafood, better prices.
Go to wayfieldfoods.com to find more savings throughout the store. Wayfield Foods, the meat people.
Hey, knee. Having some trouble on the court? Sorry, elbow. I guess I'm not as nimble as I used to be. Okay, I got it.